In Android device, custom recovery help you to perform lots of tasks such as install custom ROM, flash mod zip files, flash super su and more. Without custom recovery, you can't do such type of task on your Android devices. All Android mobile and tablet come with a pre-installed stock recovery, but the stock one offers very basic functions and it will not help you to install and flash other ROMs on your device. To perform these kind of advanced level function, you need a custom recovery, and one of the most powerful custom recovery is TWRP recovery or TWRP recovery, which has a very simple UI and easy to use functions. Recently, TWRP recovery team has released their official app through which you can easily install TWRP recovery on Android devices. And it is a universal method, so it will work on almost any Android device which is supported. But make sure your device is rooted, which is the only prerequisite of this method. So now with that being said, let's start. Now before starting the procedure, make sure your bootloader is unlocked, otherwise this method will not work. First head over to the Play Store and type TWRP. After that, select this official TWRP app and install it. Once the installation gets complete, open the TWRP app and enable root access if it is asking to. Now, click on the TWRP flash option. After that, it will ask you to select device. There are tons of device which is officially supported by TWRP, so I think you will definitely find your build. To find TWRP recovery for your device, you can either type the name of your device or you can simply scroll to search it. In my case, I am searching TWRP recovery for my OnePlus 2. Once you select your device, all available TWRP recovery image version for your device will be listed. Grab the latest version and download it in your internal storage. Once the download gets completed, go back to the app and tap on select a file to flash and then select the image file and tap on flash. As soon as you will tap on flash, flashing will start and it will be completed within a fraction of a second. You won't even get any notification. So now to confirm that TWRP is installed on your device or not, simply boot your device into recovery mode. And as you can see, my device is successfully booted into TWRP recovery with the same version 3.0.2-2 which I flashed. So guys, this is the simplest way to install TWRP recovery on any Android device. If you find it useful, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel for more future videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next one.